So friends, if you want to know how to install iOS 26 public beta in your iPhone, then this is the video for you. As you all can see, I have already updated my iPhone to public beta. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, before installing iOS 26 public beta, make sure you have done the backup. And to do that, you can simply go to Apple ID and you can go to iCloud over here. And if you go down, you get an option of backup. So make sure you have done the backup. Once it is done, after that you can simply go to Safari and over here you can search for beta.apple.com. Now on this particular page, all you have to do is simply go down. If you are doing this for the first time, then you have to sign up using Apple ID credentials. But if you have already installed public beta previously, then you can easily sign in using the Apple ID. Now once sign up or sign in is complete, it will take you to guide for beta software page. Over here you can check out few details. If you want to install iOS 26 public beta, then make sure to select iOS. If you want to install iPad OS or Mac OS, then make sure to select that particular option. After selecting iOS, you can just simply go down and look for get started option. In that you get an option of enroll your iOS device. So you have to select that particular option. And on the next page, if you go down, you get an option of turn on beta updates. Make sure to select open beta updates. It will take you directly to the beta update page in settings. Now, as I told you, I have already installed iOS 26 public beta, but in your case, if you don't find iOS 26 public beta option over here, just simply go back, refresh this page, and then if you go to beta updates, you will find iOS 26 public beta over here. If not, then restart your phone and then the problem will be solved. So after selecting iOS 26 public beta, you will get an update over here. So all you have to do is you just have to select update now option at the bottom, and it will take few minutes to download the update and to install it completely. Always make sure that your phone is charged about 70 to 75% so that there won't be any problem while installing the update. Now once the installation is complete, after that you will get a welcome page saying hello in different languages, and you can notice that this time iOS 26 is completely in glass design. I've already made few videos on that. If you want to check out what you get in iOS 26, then I'll try to drop a link in description below for all those videos. Don't forget to check it out. So yeah, this is how simple it is to install iOS 26 public beta in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.